And now, your Storm Shield forecast with NBC26 Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
Well, like it or not, Canada is about to pay a visit to Wisconsin. Here's a look at the next 7 days. We've got an extended period of frigid temperatures on the way. There will be many days where high temperatures will be running a good 25 to 35 degrees below normal for this time of year. The warmest day will be on Monday with a high temperature of 12. Well, after highs in the lower to mid-20s earlier this afternoon, temperatures are now crashing behind a cold front. It is 12 degrees in Oshkosh. We've got 14 in Clintonville. It's already down to 5 in Antigo. In the valley, we're looking at 12 degrees with gusty westerly winds. In Green Bay, it's a little bit warmer, but look at the winds. Out of the west, sustained at 24 miles per hour, gusting to nearly 35 miles per hour, producing blowing and drifting snow, and more importantly, frigid wind chills. The wind chill has now dropped to 1 below in Green Bay. It feels like 7 below in Fond du Lac, and the wind chill is already 13 degrees below zero in Antigo. And once again, those wind chills will be going down throughout the night. We had snow falling from the sky pretty much all day long. Many spots picking up a ½ inch to 1.5 inches of snow, and now that snow is blowing and drifting all about with westerly winds gusting over 30 miles per hour. The system that brought us the snow, of course, the cold front, which is now moving away from Wisconsin. Behind it, we have a large ridge of Arctic high pressure building in from the north. And just to the north of that high pressure system, it is much colder today compared to yesterday, 20 to 35 degrees colder, in fact. Right now, it's 17 degrees in Green Bay, but it's already dropped to below zero in Minneapolis. We're looking at 13 below in International Falls. But of course, you have to factor in those gusty winds, and wind chills right now across Minnesota have dropped into the 20s and 30s below zero. So we've got wind chill advisories and warnings all over the place. Most importantly, they cover all of northeast Wisconsin for tonight right into tomorrow. You can see wind chills will continue to drop here as we head throughout the evening hours. By tomorrow morning, most of us will be looking at wind chills in the negative lower 30s, and the wind chill is not going to go up much tomorrow afternoon. Even with lots of sunshine, wind chills will be in the teens and 20s below zero because high temperatures will struggle to hit zero. Look for 2 below in Manitowoc, 3 below in Fond du Lac, 2 below in Oshkosh. We can expect a high of 1 in Shawano. Sturgeon Bay will have a high temperature of 3. And this is just the beginning of an extended stretch of frigid temperatures. We're going to be bitterly cold at times, whether it's the wind chill, 25 to 45 degrees below zero, or actual air temperatures in the teens and 20s below zero. This first batch of frigid air moving in for tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday. We warm up a little bit on Monday with some snow, and then the main batch of Arctic air plunges south into the U.S. as we head into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. This could be the coldest air mass that we have seen in 5 years. Now, here's a look at the lowest high temperature for the last 5 winters, including this winter. So far this winter, our coldest high has been 12. You have to go back to the winter of 2013 to 2014 to find a high of 5 below. That was a 24-hour high. The daytime high was actually 14 below zero. As you take a look at the lowest temperatures of the winter, so far this winter, 3 below. Once again, back to that same winter, we had a morning where the low hit 24 degrees below zero, and we could come close to that as we head into next week. So tonight, blowing snow and frigid wind chills, overnight lows around 10 below. Of course, those wind chills making it feel much colder. 1 below for a high tomorrow. Wind chills will be well below that, but we are going to have a lot of sunshine. Could hit a record low Saturday morning of 19 below, a high of 1 in the afternoon, 4 below on Sunday behind another cold front that could produce a snow shower or a flurry. We'll have the chance for a significant snowfall on Monday, highs around 12, and then that's when the really cold stuff arrives. 0 Tuesday morning, falling throughout the day, struggling to hit 10 below for a high on Wednesday. 5 below on Thursday. Look at those morning lows, right around 20 below, and that's with wind. If we had clear skies and light winds, either of those nights, we could be talking about lows closer to 30 below zero.
It's astounding. I read some simple advice from the CDC. It says, stay indoors if you can. If you have to go outside and you really start shivering a lot, it's your body's sign to just go back indoors, shivering how your body tries to stay warm.
Yeah, good advice. Stay inside if you can and trust what your body is telling you.
Absolutely. All right, Cameron, thanks so much. Still ahead here for us, a plan for more than $30 million for a Marinette County company. Here with the governor is